How to create a password in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile. Then on your top right corner, tap on the menu bar. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Then go to Account Center. From here, tap on Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Select Instagram. First, you have to enter your current password. Then, if it matches, enter a new password and then retype the new password. Then, the Change Password button will be enabled. After that, you just have to tap on Change Password and your password will be changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.